Hello everyone, this is Dr. Twinkle Razdan, Associate Professor in the Department of Applied Sciences and Humanities. Today I will be dealing with the topic Biogeographical Regions of India. Now, coming to the outlines of this biogeographical region of India, we will be dealing with what exactly biogeography is and what is a biogeographic region. After this, we will be dealing with the names of the biogeographic zones of India, or we can say it is biogeographic regions of India. After that, there will be a brief introduction and identification of this biogeographic zones or regions in India. Now, coming to the two terms, biogeography and biogeographic region. Biogeography, it is the study of distribution of species, organisms, and ecosystems in geographical space over geographical time. Now, coming to the biogeographic region, it is an area of animal and plant distribution sharing the characteristics. Now, coming to various biogeographic zones of India, if we see that these are the biogeographic, these zones of India, if we count these, there are mainly 10 biogeographic regions of India. That is Trans-Himalayan region, Himalayan zone, Indian desert zone, semi-arid, Western Ghats, Deccan Plateau, Gangetic Plain coast, Northeast regions, and islands. Now, coming to the first biogeographic region of India, that is Trans-Himalayan region. In this diagram, we can see that this is the Trans-Himalayan region, and here you can see that this is the Trans-Himalayan region. It accounts for 5.6% of total biogeographical area. That is this 5.6% of the total geographic area of Indian region. Coming to the second one, it is Himalayan zone. So in this figure, you can see that this is the extension of this Himalayan region. Here you can see it is the extension of this Himalayan region, and here you can see this is the presence of this particular geographical area. And in this geographical area, there is the distribution of the flora and the faunal species. Now, coming to the next one, that is, this is the Indian desert zone. And this Indian desert zone, you can see this is the demarcation of this Indian desert zone. And after this comes the semi-arid zone. Semi-arid zone, you can see the extension of this semi-arid zone. It almost occupies 16.6% of total geographical area. And we can see it is a transition zone. It is a transition zone between the desert and the Western Ghats. Now coming to the next one, that is Western Ghats. Western Ghats, in this figure, you can see this is the location of these Western Ghats, and it accounts for 4% of the total geographical area. And this Western Ghats, it is a zone, mainly it is having this biodiversity hotspot. Hotspots or biodiversity hotspots, they are the areas having high endemism but are continuously under threat. Now coming to the next one, that is this Deccan Plateau or Deccan Peninsular region. In the diagram, you will see that this accounts for 42% of this geographical area of Indian region. Comes the next, that is the Gangetic Plain. This Gangetic Plain, now you can see it accounts for 10.8%, and Gangetic Plain, here we can see that this is the Gangetic Plain here marked at this place. And this is divided into upper Gangetic Plain, middle Gangetic Plain, and this is the lower Gangetic Plain. Coming to the next one, that is the coast or coastal area. It accounts for 2.5%. Here you can see 2.5% of total geographical area. And we can see this is the coastline here. We can see this is the coastline here. We can see that this is the coastline here demarcated in this map, and this is the coastline here. So you can see the coastline from Gujarat to Sundarbans is estimated to be 5423 kilometers long. So you can see this coastline is extended from here, and this way it goes like this. Now coming to the next one, that is northeastern region. You can see it accounts for, this northeastern region accounts for 5.2%. And here you can see this is the northeastern region which accounts for this 5.2%. Now, this Northeast is a biogeographical gateway for much of India's faunal species as well as floral species, as well as a biodiversity hotspot. That is, we refer this as the Eastern Himalayan region also. Coming to the islands, now coming to these islands, which we say it accounts for 0.3% of this India's total geographical area. Now, coming to these islands, you can see that islands, here you can find these islands, here you can find these islands. These are the Lakshadweep Islands. It is a group of 27 small islands located in Arabian Sea. And coming to this one, we can say this is a group of almost 348 island group in the Bay of Bengal. Now, how we can remember these biogeographical regions or biogeographical zones of India? So for this purpose, I have simply made an acronym here, that is WINDS GCT. WINDS, that is, you can see this is Western Ghats, this is island, and here this is Himalayan region, this is Northeastern region, this is Deccan Peninsula region, this is for desert, and this is for semi-arid region, and this is for Gangetic Plain, this is for coastal area, and this is for the Trans-Himalayan zone. So in this manner, we can simply put this acronym such that we can easily remember all the names of this biogeographical regions of India. Now, this is the very much clear picture of this, all these biogeographical regions of India that you can see: Trans-Himalaya, Himalayan region, desert, semi-arid, Western Ghats, Deccan Peninsula region, Gangetic Plain, coast, northeast, and islands. So you can see these are the islands, and these are the references which have been consulted for making this presentation. Thank you all.